Now, let's dive in lang dito sa sa some of the benefits. Bakit nga ba, Sir Jonas, napakadaming Pinoy na talagang they are really eyeing to become a permanent resident dyan sa Australia. So, pahapyawan lang natin.
Sige po. So, of course, we all know, napakaganda po ng benefits sa Australia. First, you get to live, work, and study in Australia indefinitely. So, kahit gaano pa katagal yan, kasi permanent resident ka na dun. So, that's one of your entitlements. And then, free education for your dependents. This is mainly focused sa mga kids niyo po for their primary and secondary school education. Third, yung health benefits. Sagot po ng Australian government yung health insurance niyo. Pagka nagkakasakit po tayo, napakagandang benefit po nun. And then, you can apply for Australian citizenship after 4 years of stay in Australia. Imagine, makakuha ka ng Australian passport. Saka ibang level of achievement yun. And then, pension fund from the Australian government, and you can sponsor your family or relatives for selected visas. Yun po yung summary ng ating mga benefits once that you are a permanent resident of Australia.
So, gano'n pala kaganda talaga ang benepisyo na kapag naging permanent resident ka na doon sa Australia. Kaya guys, mga viewers natin, take note na po ha. Australia has the highest minimum wage in the world on top of all the benefit na binanggit na ni Sir Jonas.